Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can create a Craigslist account. Craigslist is an classified advertisement website with sections devoted to jobs, housing, for sale, items wanted, services, etc. So in order to create a Craigslist account, the first thing you want to do is open your browser and go to craigslist.org. Once you get to Craigslist official website homepage, you'll see three sections. One on the right is for language and reason, one on the center is the listings done by people, and one on the left is their user interface. Now, in order to create your Craigslist website, on the left section, you'll see an option labeled as My Accounts. Click on that My Accounts option. Once you click on the My Accounts option, you land on an interface like this. Here we have two sections, one to log in and the second one to create your account. Now on the Create an Account section, you need to enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, on the bottom right hand corner, you'll see a button to create account. Tap on that button. Once you tap on that button, Craigslist will send an email to your email address. Now go to that email address. Once you get to that email, look for an email from Craigslist. The email will be labeled as New Craigslist Account and your email address. Open that email. Once you open that email, you'll see a link which says log into your account. Please go to that link. Now go to that link, tap on the link. Once you click on that link, you'll land on an interface like this. Here you'll have two options, one to continue without a password and one to set a password. If you want to set a password, create a password for your account in the Set a Password section, confirm that, then tap on the Set Password button. Or you can continue without a password. If you want to continue without a password, tap on the Go Passwordless button on the Continue with a Password section. I'll create a password for my account. So once you create a password for your account, tap on the Set Password button. Once you tap on the Set Password button, your Craigslist account will be created. Now you can go to their homepage, log in and look for jobs, housing, buy or sell items, list the items that you need, look for services, also discuss a topic in the discussion forum. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.